remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to St. Thomas, where the local time is currently 5:15 p.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have arrived at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also, please make sure you check your surrounding areas for all of your personal belongings like tablets, cell phones, chargers, AirPods, anything you don't want left behind, because once you leave this aircraft, we're not letting you back on. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may